Ini foto nih. Gus foto Gus. Ibu tengah Bu. Salaman Bu. Salaman Bu. Ya. Gus salaman Gus. Oke.
Presiden Yasser Arafat dari Palestina yang baru datang dari Kuala Lumpur. Mestinya dia datang kemarin, tapi karena ada kerusakan pada pesawat yang dinaiki beliau, sampai tadi baru jam 5 lebih tiba di Halun. Sekarang datang kemari untuk bertemu dengan saya. Dalam pertemuan ini kita berbicara dan saya menegaskan bahwa Indonesia terikat kepada keputusannya dari dulu, yaitu menegaskan hak untuk mencapai perdamaian dan sebagainya di Palestina terserah kepada orang-orang Palestina sendiri, yang dalam hal ini tentu dirupakan atau dijelmakan, diwujudkan dalam bentuk keputusan-keputusan konvensi OKI, PBB dan lain-lain. Silakan bertanya sendiri, please.
From my heart, His Excellency, to give me this opportunity, and where I had the opportunity to explain to him what had happened with us in Camp David agreement, in Camp David talks, and the obstacles which we had faced. But the main obstacle, as I had mentioned to His Excellency, and as it was there in Camp David, the problem of the holy city of Jerusalem, and especially the sacred holy sites, the Haram Sharif, the Aqsa Mosque, the Sakhra Mosque, and the Christian holy places. Not to forget that it is our first shrine as Muslims, and from there our Prophet Muhammad went to the heaven, and also our Jesus Christ was living there and had been raised after that to the heaven. From there, So it was the red line of our talks took place in Camp David. And I told openly and frankly that all the Muslims, all the Christians, all the Arabs cannot accept any sovereignty for the Israelis on the holy sites in Jerusalem. Or you have also to be, it has to be known also that a part of these extremists groups in Israel أمناء الهيكل temple custodians want to demolish the Haram Sharif and the two mosques and to build instead of it the temple of Solomon, which had not been لم يبرهن أنها لم يبرهن أنها في هذا المكان حتى الآن.
Which had it been proved that it ever existed in that location?
Till now, it is not so far. It is not we who are saying it. Still, the many rabbis are repeating the same thing. And for this, for your information, General Moshe Dayan, when he occupied Jerusalem, the holy city of Jerusalem, in 67, he gave a strict order. I gave a copy of it for His Excellency to prevent any extremists or fanatic groups from the Jews to raise the Israeli flag or to pray in this area. And all the Jewish governments had respected this order, except Barak, before going to Camp David agreement, he gave the permission for two groups to go to pray there, but our guards had prevented them. And also, we have to thank His Excellency for this strong support to the Palestinian cause and to the Palestinian people, not only as the President of Indonesia, but not to forget, Indonesia is the biggest and largest state for the Muslims all over the world. Me and my partner Rabin, who had been assassinated after that from these fanatic groups in Israel, and we have to declare our state, our on the ground. But you remember I made a long tour all around the world, and I have many advices from many international leaders. Today, after the Israeli election, and I returned back discussing